So you're an FTC team. It's after kickoff and your team has already done quite a bit of brainstorming. Y'all have a pretty good idea of how you want your robot to look and how you want your robot to perform. There's just one problem. There's a big gap between your ideas and reality. My team has run into this problem quite a bit. What we have used to help us with this problem is CAD. Computer-aided design has helped us so many ways. We're able to use computer-aided design software such as SolidWorks or Fusion 360 to flesh out our ideas in a software instead of wasting time trying to build this in real life and then seeing that it doesn't work. For example, in the 2020-2021 season Ultimate Goal, my team had this elaborate design idea for a shooter. We spent time putting this idea into SolidWorks, a CAD software, and then we saw that it just wouldn't work on a robot. It was too big. There wasn't enough space for all the sprockets, the chain, and the motors. Now imagine, instead of us taking that time, about 30 minutes to an hour, CADing this design up and then seeing that it didn't work, imagine that instead we had just decided to go ahead and build it. We would have spent 3 hours, an entire meeting time, cutting extrusion, sizing the chain, and mounting the motors, only to realize at the very end that we had just wasted 3 hours. This is why CAD helps us. CAD has saved us so much time and resources, but we also understand that not everyone knows how to use CAD. I would really encourage you to start learning how to use CAD programs such as Fusion 360 or SolidWorks, because not only are they going to be helpful to you and your team in robotics, but they're also going to be helpful as a skill to use in the future for a project that you're going to work on or a job. With CAD, you can also create your own custom parts and 3D print them then and there without having to look for a custom part in stores or online. You can also change the size of a part that you've custom made without having to trim stuff down or mangling a part that's already been made for you. I've decided to implement the use of SolidWorks in our team because it's a skill that will help me a lot in the future, and it helps my team a lot right now. This is what I'm hoping to share with you all, is how you can use software such as SolidWorks in an FTC environment.